Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your account on Weex. And for this, we click here on our profile picture and then we double click on that, and then he will send us to this page right here. Now we need to verify our account. So what we're gonna do is we go to verification, and then from here we can click on verify now. So now he will start with getting verified. So now we do the following steps. Now, first of all, provide personal information. So we do continue, and then you need to give them answers for all the questions that they ask you. And then from now, we need to give them my identity. So what we're gonna do is we click or send them our identity document, and we perform a liveness check. So these steps you need to do to verify your account. So please click right here on continue, give them your identity, and also do the liveness check. And then after this, they will check your ID and your liveness check. And after that, you verify your account. Then after that, there is one thing that you need to do, and that is verify your address. And you will find after this how to do that. But this is how you can verify your account on Weex. Hopefully this was the video that you was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.